Hello, what is up, everybody? What is going down? I am in the house, and today we are going to check out this infested Xbox 360. I bought this thing for like $5 at a yard sale. Just grabbed it. Someone, I don't know, it didn't work or whatever. Grabbed it. So I've been tearing it down. I tore the sides off and stuff, which was completely insane. Like I could not even it was like took me hours. Like I went online and looked it all up, and like it's just I did it everything. It just like wouldn't come apart. Still, it was like because the plastic's like just so set. It was like almost like not. It was not frozen, but the plastic was just not having it. It took me. I didn't crack anything, but it like took me like I literally had to like kind of bend it, like almost crack it to like pop it. It was unbelievable. It's like fused. So anyway, so I broke it down, and so now it's to this point. So now I'm gonna unscrew it. But just this thing was like in the outer shell. There was just tons of like some bug. I don't know if it looked like a cockroach or like what it was, but like I don't know if it's like cockroaches or something, or what are these things? Like, but there was like 100 of them already. I saw it. That's why I'm like doing this, because I was like, oh my god, I gotta get this on film. There's like a nest in here. These nest videos are like do real good, and I'm hoping you guys can really help me out here, because this is bad times. I'm like not gonna go into it, but it's But yeah, so this is I don't know what these are. Like it's not zooming too good on this old camera, on this old phone. But it's like it looks like roaches or something. I don't know, but it's like there was like hundreds of little ones, and like there's some of them over here. Like if they were like going in, this is like the front door here. We got some. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna unscrew the top, and then I'll get right back to you. So okay, so let me do some magic. Ready? Boom. And back. Hello, everybody. Okay. So now we've got to this point. I got some light here. Okay, so let's pop this. Okay, so boom. Oh, what is that? What is that? That little friendly. Okay, so this is nasty. Look at that. What is that stuff? It looks like bug guts, dude. Like it's rusty. Oh my god. Anyway. Okay, so let's check this thing out. Oh man, that's, I don't know who that is, but that thing, let's see if we can get a good, I know this picture's not good, I'm sorry, but it looks like guts. Like the standoffs on this thing are like broken, or there's a one, I don't know what that is. Trying to get a good shot at it, what it is. Some of you ornithologists or whatever it is, ornithology or whatever, the bugs, study of bugs. I'm trying to get a, but we look like we got a nest over here. Got like a nest in there. Got a nest in that area. A little love nest. Hey, look at that thing. A little love nest right there. No, we got something hiding. I wonder what's under that shield. I'll have to get that off. So let me take this to the next step. and pop some more stuff, and we'll see what we got. But I think, you know, I think most of them were in the outer shield, because I'm not seeing too many. I mean, there's one in the corner there, and then there's one right there. There's another corpse, but there was like tons of them. Maybe they're in, I don't know. But all right, let's break it down some more and see what's up. All right, I'll be right back. Yep. There was a lot of bugs in here. There's one bug over there. There's a bug, he's just chilling. Obviously he's dead, but yeah. What is up? Check those out. Look at those suckers. And this is nothing. There was tons in here. This was a hotel. Wow. There was just like roaches living in. I don't know if this was like. It looks like it was like. Oh, you see this? I'm under the. Oh man. Let's see. Oh man, look at all those roaches in that fan. Look at that. Hello. Oh man. This thing was a roach hotel. The more you shake it, the more bugs come out. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Is that a roach, man? I don't know if this thing was, like, full of roaches. My God, dude, there's one in there. I see him. He's right in there. Deep, deep, deep. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Someone had this thing chopping up roaches. Let's see if we can get a few out. Get a few out of here. Alright. Give me a second. I'm going to see what I can do. So you can see some of these little suckers. I don't know what these are. These guys. But this thing was filled, and this is nothing. There was so many that were just falling out of it. They were all dead and dried out. But unbelievable, man. This thing was just, I don't know where this thing was, man. But this is just, I don't know. But that is nuts. But yep, this is what I found. And I'm just working on it. Hopefully, I'll be playing some Halo 3 soon. And yep. Alright, everybody. Talk to you later.